I'm back, baby. I am back. This is to all my producers. This is the MK3. This is the MK3 beat machine. You can mix, edit, track. It's basically like a DAW, a traveling DAW. So Pro Tools is my go-to. But since I've been making beats on the MK3 machine, it's been a beast. Some producers said they don't like it. Like I used to have the MPC 2000 back in the day. It kind of reminds me of that with a different feel. And check this out. Complete Control paired with the MK3 is the beast. It's on. It's on. Experience unbeatable creativity with the Komplete Kontrol S61 paired with the MK3 beat machine. Ignite beats with firepower like never before. I am back.